You can actually see some of the Pyromusical shit. It's still going. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna walk a couple more meters, and if I hear a book, you can actually see some of the Pyromusical shit from the side. I opted not to go for it, but well, you see some of it. That's cool. I guess we'll just stay here until this finishes. Looks like they're indeed blowing their load phase. That's it. There's more, guys. Still going. Meron pa. There's more, guys. There's fucking more. Okay, fine. Next week. As it's every Saturday, I think. So I've been walking the whole way. It's still going. I think it's like 20 minutes long. More. Okay, that's blowing their load. There you go. There you go. That's the last one, I think. Alright, next week we'll do that. Okay, I'm already here at Pyromusical and Pyromusical is still going. It's still going. Look at that. Jesus. Still going, man. Ooh. Yeah, I think that, you know, considering the size of these flowers. Oh, look at that. The best place to view is not in Mall of Asia. Because if you're there, you're too close to this. You gotta be outside. I'm sure from here. Load or something. Yeah, that's the blow your load sequence. That'll be it. Guess what? There's more! So you can see the small... There, now that things. How far is that? That took that long. You can actually calculate that. Oh, look at that. You can see the fountain stuff. And there's a view from Park. consolation for. This is better than New Year's, guys. But then again, the Pyromusical shit is always better than New Year's. That's the lesson I learned a couple of years ago. Jesus Christ. That shit. It's crazy. I probably spent more than my net worth. Fireworks. Whoa. Jesus Christ. That's gotta be the end. Oh, fuck. Okay. That's gotta be the end, right? Yeah, I guess it is. I'm gonna walk a couple more meters, and if I hear a boog, I'm gonna be annoyed.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat, out.